Hello and welcome, my friends. Today on Asian Fables TV, I'm heading to Mahahena village in Sri Lanka to check out a beautiful waterfall. Just like you saw in the thumbnail, I also met a really interesting friend. Let's go today and witness the beauty of Kandaela Waterfall. Once we get down there, I'll show you the part where the waterfall cascades down the rock face. It's about 100 to 150 meters high. From there, the water crashes against the rocks and falls down in the most beautiful way. How's the location? Isn't it amazing? I'll put the coordinates for this location in the description. Come here, experience this place, and take only memories with you. Please make sure not to leave any of your belongings in places like this clean and sensitive environment. Look at this water now. It's crashing against the rocks, creating mist as it falls down beautifully. This waterfall is about 100 to 150 meters high. The pool at the bottom where the waterfall falls is around 10 meters deep. The rocks here are also very slippery. If you're coming to see this place, please walk on the rocks very carefully. In the thumbnail, I played a little joke on you guys. Anacondas don't live in Sri Lanka. The largest snake you can currently find in this country is the python, called pibura. It's not as big as an anaconda, but it's similar in behavior. The way it kills prey by constriction, crushing bones to eat, its slow movement, and the fact that it's rarely dangerous to humans. Alright, my friends, I'll see you in another video. Stay safe. I wish everyone a bright future. If you forgot, go ahead and subscribe now, and hit like on the video before you go. Goodbye.